Today I am going to teach you very simple way to speak Urdu. These sentences will help you to speak fluently in Urdu. Okay, so let's get started. सबसे पहला जुमला, first sentence, I speak. I speak, मैं बोलता हूँ. I मैं, speak बोलता हूँ. Second, I write. I write. I मैं, write लिखता हूँ. This is a present simple tense, so you have to understand this. I drive. I मैं, drive चलाता हूँ. Next, I love. I मैं, love मोहब्बत करता हूँ. नेक्स्ट है I give. I give, मैं देता हूँ. I मैं, give देता हूँ. I smile. I मैं, smile मुस्कुराता हूँ. I take. I take. I मैं, take लेता हूँ. Now I'm going to change the subject. Okay. He speaks. वो बोलता है. He वो, speaks बोलता है. I'm using Urdu. He writes. He वो, writes लिखता है. He drives. He वो, drives चलाता है. He loves. He वो, मोहब्बत, love मोहब्बत करता है. He gives. He वो, gives देता है. He smiles. He वो, smiles मुस्कुराता है. He takes. He वो, takes लेता है. Now I'm going to change subject again. Now I'm using we. It means हम. We speak. We हम, speak बोलते हैं. We write. हम लिखते हैं. Write लिखते हैं. We drive. We हम, drive चलाते हैं. We love. We हम, love मोहब्बत करते हैं. We give. We हम, give देते हैं. We smile. हम मुस्कुराते हैं. We take. हम लेते हैं. Now before I'm going to finish this lesson, I'm going to ask you 3 questions. You have to answer in the comment box. First, what is the difference between these 3 subjects in Urdu? Listen carefully. You have to tell me difference between I, he, we. There are 3 subjects I use in same sentences, same verbs, but there are some difference in Urdu. So what are the difference in 3 subjects? Okay thing. Second, which sentence do you like most? आपको कौन सा sentence बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया? Which sentence do you like the most? Okay. And the third thing, please tell me how am I teaching and how to improve my teaching techniques. Okay, so answer these questions. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you next time.